What's up, guys? Nick White here. I do tech and coding stuff on Twitch and YouTube. Description has all the information. I do all the HackerRank and leak code problems as I prepare for my interviews. We did all the linked list ones on HackerRank, and if you check those out, I play those on my channel. So this is called tree level order traversal. So we've done in order, pre-order, post-order traversals. This is a level order traversal. I think we did this on leak code as well. Basically, it's just kind of like a breadth first search. You're given a pointer to the root of a binary tree. You need to print the level order traversal of this tree. In level order traversal, we will visit the nodes level by level from left to right. So they literally tell us how to do it. You only have to complete the function. For example, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4 is the level order traversal of this tree. It just means that level, and yeah, pretty straightforward. So the other ones are recursive solutions, but in this one, we're not going to be able to do that, and let me show you why. So first of all, if root is equal to null, just like the other ones, we're going to return, right? Because we have nothing to traverse. There's no traversal there. And in the other ones, we could just recursively call and have the problem kind of do itself. But in this one, if we called level order of root.left before root.right, or vice versa, it's going to traverse all the left or all the right nodes before the other one, right? This will keep doing left calls or keep doing right calls if it was the other way around. And that's good for a pre-order, post-order, and in-order, because those essentially are always having the left node, all the left nodes traverse before the right. But in this one, we go left, then right in order. So this is going to involve a queue. And the queue that we're going to use here is going to be implemented using a linked list. And linked lists, if you know, have constant time grabs from the head. And that's going to be good here because we're going to be popping nodes off the queue. So we're going to have a linked list node called queue is equal to new linked list. We're going to, just like how we have a stack in some of the other problems, we're just going to add root to it at the beginning. And then we're going to do while queue is not empty. We're going to poll, it's not pop, in stack it's pop, but here it's actually poll, so current node is going to be equal to queue.poll, so that gets the front of the queue. So if you know from a queue, it's going to be last in, first out, so we're going to put the left, we want to go to the left and then right first, so we're going to go left node in the queue, and then right node in the queue, and then left node in the queue, right node in the queue. So it's going to go left, right, left, right, left, right. But it's not going to go left, 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 right, right, right. It's going to be level by level, which is what we want. So we're going to pull the current queue. So root will be first. We're going to print it out. We're going to print current node.data plus a space here. Hopefully the light isn't in my face. Yeah, the light's kind of in my face, but it's not that bad. And then that's pretty much it. If current node dot left, it's a pretty simple problem, and we'll probably get into more complicated ones in a little bit. Always want to check for nulls. So if it's not equal null, then we'll add it onto the queue. Otherwise, we'll keep it moving. Queue dot add current node dot left, and then it's going to be the same thing on the right, and that's pretty much it. So let's just add that. So we got rights. Rights, and then we're done. So let's run this, and there we go. We'll pass all the test cases. Hopefully that makes sense to you. I think it's pretty intuitive. It's an easy problem, so we'll get into smarter stuff in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Check out the next one. See ya.